pick the tree. Take your bag and leave my house.
What?
You don't want training.
You want me to break my leg?
Your brother. Remember?
What this?